3 under 2. And now we're here at Myall Beach. So Myall Beach is the beach just before Cape Tribulation Beach. So it's literally on the other side of the Cape. So Myall Beach is here, Cape Trib is over there. And we tried to hike to this beach yesterday, but we parked in the Cape Tribulation car park and it was like a 400-meter walk, but you had to walk over the Cape and that way was blocked. I think there would have been like a landslide or something and it blocked the path. So we've come to a different car park today so we can walk down this way, and there should be like a mangrove boardwalk or something down to the beach. I reckon it'll be about 400 or 500 meters. So we're just gonna go for a little hike. This looks like a really nice peaceful picnic area. Just all around the place there are these little picnic huts and they're spaced out, so you know, if you're picnicking you're not on top of each other, which is really nice. We've got some flying foxes up here in the trees making a bit of a racket. Pretty cool.
See up there's a coconut tree. Is there water in it?
Can you feel it? I just hit.
Oh, you're alright. I think two's a lot. Do you think two's enough?
No,
More. We're gonna carry this, Em. So right now, Emily, Leo, and I are walking along the beach and collecting coconuts. We're trying to find some that might be suitable for trying with the kids. And all along the sand you see these fragments of coral, which is really cool. Really just reminds you that you're so close to the Great Barrier Reef, which is incredible.
cool.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
And it's like a puppet.
Did Did you know out there in the water is the world's biggest reef? What? Yeah, it's huge. Well, I wasn't even hitting the tree. Nice helping.
So we are back at Cow Bay, and honestly the only reason why we're back is because yesterday I didn't have the drone and I really want to drone Cow Bay. So we've got the backpack, we've got the drone, and here's Cow Bay. Alright guys, we're going to settle in for the night. Hope you enjoyed the episode, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to support the channel, click the like button below. And if you want to see even more content, check out our Instagram, which is 3__2.